Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Stay at Home Steam with Mrs. Nicholson. Today we're doing something a little fun to get us outside. We're going to do what is called the Mentos Geyser. And for this experiment, you need some regular mint Mentos, not the fruit kind, the mint ones. And then I have what's called the Geyser tube that is something you can purchase online. Which is on stevespanglerscience.com, which I use that a lot. But this is something that you do not have to do this experiment. You can actually make your own type of geyser tube using something like a toilet paper roll, which I know you all have around the house these days. And so what I did is I formed it to the size that you would need for the top of the 2-liter bottle. And then you poke some holes in it. This would go through here, so that you're holding the Mentos in. You drop the Mentos in here, put it on top, and then when you're ready for it to drop in, you pull this out, Mentos drop in, and your geyser happens. So when we're talking about an experiment, we always talk about using the CLEVER method in my class. So the CL stands for make a claim, and that is kind of taking the place of the old school scientific method with the hypothesis. And making a claim is just saying what you believe is going to happen. So in this particular one, the claim I want you guys to make is which of the types of pop are going to be the kind that gives you the highest geyser. So we're using Diet Coke, Diet Dr. Pepper, and Diet Sundrop. I wanted to get kind of a little bit of a variety on this. The reason I use Diet is because it is not sticky like the regular ones would be with all the sugar in it. So it just makes for a little bit easier cleanup. We're going to be doing this outside so you can just kind of hose it down whenever you are finished. But what I want your claim to be is, do you think that one of them will be higher than the other? If so, which one? Do you think they'll all be the same? You decide what you think is going to happen with this experiment and make your claim. You make it as a statement. Now, I want everyone to think about their claim, and at this point, and if you are ready to come up with a claim, I'll have you pause your video in just a minute, and then you can make your claim. Now, before we go outside, everyone should have their claim made. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video, and then we're going to take this outside, and we're going to do the EV part of CLEVER, which is the collect evidence, and that's where we're going to actually do the experiment. So we're going to pause right now, and when we come back, we will be outside for the experiment. Ready for part 2. We're going to actually collect our evidence now, and as you can see, we've set up, we have the Diet Coke that is going to be over on the right hand side, Sundrop in the middle, and Diet Dr. Pepper on the left side. Now, as we were doing this, watch for the height that comes with it, and I'm going to have my husband come. He's going to pull one of the strings out so that our geysers will all happen at the same time. So here we go. In the tube. So what you might need to do as you are reviewing this is, the lucky thing is you guys have it on video, so you can go back and take a look at which one got higher. What I would love for you guys to do is talk about why you think one would be higher than the other, or why they would all be the same depending on what you saw. Also, something you can research. I want you to go ahead and look up what is the reason that when you mix Mentos and some type of pop that you get that kind of reaction. I'm not going to tell you. I want you guys to look that up. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I look forward to our next video. Thank you.